Hey you guys, it's me, Lady May. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna try to tackle my laundry and hopefully I can just do my laundry in one of the big washers so I don't have to waste like hella washers. But I also have to wash my blankets and my pillows and stuff, so we'll see how that goes. So hopefully I can do one big washer for my clothes and one big washer for my blankets and pillows and towels. Yeah, I'm currently at a park, but I am planning to head on over to the laundromat. And yeah, I think the last time I did laundry was back when I was in Arizona, Ehrenberg, for Schoolypalooza, and I did the laundry at the Pilot, a truck stop. It was pretty cool, but it was really busy, so hopefully this laundromat isn't too busy, because I like less noise, like the less stress. You can kind of enjoy doing your laundry, but when it's like overly crowded and it's just so much noise and it's like the aisles are filled with people, it kind of makes doing laundry really unpleasant. Yeah. All right, well, off to the laundromat we go. So now we're at the laundromat, and now I am going to prep to do my laundry.
Yeah. Well, but that part is like,
it was the first time an Emmy for Outstanding Supporting Actress in a Comedy Series.
I just got done with laundry. There's a lot of weird people here with weird vibes. Some people with, like, I don't know, like, not good intention vibes, and like some people with like envy vibes. Like, I don't know. Yeah, the owner is a woman. She's an elderly Asian lady, and she kept like sweeping nearby my feet, and I had to tell her, like, can you not sweep nearby my feet? It's considered disrespectful in my culture. And like, she did it again, and I had to say it louder for her to understand. And then she proceeded to apologize. But why would you do it again after someone told you to stop? I don't know, but that was pretty weird. Yeah. Usually it takes quicker time to wash and dry the clothes, but like for some reason today it took longer than usual. I don't know. or maybe it just felt like it was taking longer than usual. So yes, but we are done with laundry, and I have to head back to base camp where I usually park to put everything away. Okay. And just like that, laundry day is over.